Good morning.
Good morning, Cherub.
Good morning, Heather. I'm coming at you with dirty, dry hair, brows that need some touch-ups, lashes that look like boy lashes. My skin's looking a little dull. We could do a lot of things here. My nails, oh my god, my nails are so bad. I'm not tan. Well, I'm not fake tan. I'm naturally tan, but like I could be darker. My toes haven't been done in so long, but I will spare you the graphic detail of that. Yeah. So let's do a little fall makeover. Ideally, I would love to do like a warm chocolate brown. I don't think in the long run I will keep liking it because sometimes it just looks like a copper, like a faded copper brassy color, which I'm not a fan of. So we're going to tackle that later, but like I blow dried my hair straight and this is what it's looking like. That's how gross it is. But first I'm gonna do an everything shower. I'm gonna shave, exfoliate. I'm going to rinse my hair and put a mask in, but you'll see that. A couple bath products that I like for my everything showers. Obviously I shower and exfoliate every day, but like when I'm getting ready for a tan, I make sure to use my Fenty Cherry Dub Triple Action AHA scrub. This stuff really helps. I have like arm knee, which has gotten a lot better. Like everything that's left is pretty much just scarring. And I love the Kopari Coconut Hydrating Body Wash. I'm almost out, so I'm gonna pick up another one. But yeah, let's hop in the shower. Okay, just put on a little mask. This is a pore clearing mask. Fun fact, I've actually never gone to get a facial and I just do my own stuff at home, but I would definitely love to make it a goal to like go once every few months because I feel like there's definitely stuff in here from 2014 still hanging out in my pores. But anyways, I'm doing the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with volcanic clusters. And I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do a little lotion over my body. Normally, I would only do this on the areas of my body that I don't want super tan, like my hands, elbows, knees, ankles, feet, all that. But because my skin is already so dry from fall, I'm just gonna do a really thin layer everywhere. That way I don't get like the cracking skin vibe, you know what I'm saying? I need a lip balm. I just feel like all of my skin has been drying up like a prune and I need to really hydrate. This is the Colleen Rothschild Vitamin E Lip Moisturizer. It smells like maple syrup and I say this every time I put it on. It's just so perfect for fall. Okay. Now I'm going to start self-tanning. I don't want to do my upper body quite yet because I still have to wash off this mask and I don't want the water to ruin the self-tan, but I'm using the Bondi Sands self-tanning foam 1 Hour Express. It doesn't say, but I'm assuming this is probably the darkest one they have. I do use plastic gloves. You just want to pump on a few pumps on your gloves, and this makes it so that it's super dark, and I feel like the mitt absorbs a lot of the product, so it tends to be a little bit lighter. And yeah, so do the rest of my lower body without the towel on because this is really annoying, and I will be back. Dude, I look, in my opinion, alright, ignore everything in the back. We're working on a fall haul and everything's just landing in my office. But yeah, so I'm about to do my little eyebrow and lash perm. I have everything linked in my Amazon storefront for you guys if you want to try it out. But I also have done a tint with these, so they're a little stained and I try to peel it off, but it's kind of hard. Anyways, I made myself a little pumpkin cold foam Americano, chai Americano, and we're about to start. But I did get some tips from the girlies on TikTok, and for the brows they said to not glue them, just to perm. So I'm taking perm solution 2, and people always freak out when I pump it straight onto my brow, but like, what do you want from me? So people kind of yell at me because I leave it on for too long, but personally, my brows and lashes are really strong. So like last time I did it for 30 minutes and the curl just wasn't as strong as I would like it to be. I'm going to bump it up to maybe 35 this time. Honestly, I'm trying to not be dumb and just completely forego professionals' advice. But at the same time, like, I know what works for my personal hair and I've taken advice before and it just hasn't worked for me, so. And other people are like, well, if you need to leave it that long, then you need a better kit. But it's like, they're not gonna make these professional grade products for just any Joe Schmo to use on Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is an at-home kit, which is probably why it's not as strong as the other. Okay, you're gonna take some plastic film. It's 110. I'm gonna leave these on until 140. Okay, a little tip for the lash perm is if your lashes are very stubborn at sticking up, I would just curl them a little bit to give them a head start. That's way they're already kind of inclined to stick to the pad. Okay, and while the perm is sitting, I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit with the self tanner and the brush. I use this brush on my hands, by the way, and oh yeah, see, I need to But I wanted to show you guys the nails. I just prepped my nails, cut them, trimmed the cuticles, and buffed them. But I found these at HEB. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm usually a Kiss girl, but I liked how short these were. I want to try out like shorter nails. These are Diosa Goddess Nail Collections. Basically, I treat them like Gel X nails. So I put them on and then I put hard gel over them. I think I did 35 minutes this time, which last time I did 30 minutes after getting yelled at by all the beauty girlies. All right, so basically what I do is I file the nails down and I file my natural nails down so that they're a little bit more sticky. I'm just gonna match them. How cute are these? And they're not even that short. Okay, but like for example, that's a perfect match. So I'm just gonna take the file, eek, and file the back. So I still use just like the regular little glue, but I find that taking the step of filing them and then doing like a little dehydrator and primer really helps, and then I top it off with some gel. You down, you
gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you gotta stand up.
I just tried a little.
She didn't get a bolo to every law enforcement, to a shift sergeant.
The nails are on. They look cute. They're nice and clean. I'm just gonna file the edges up a little bit before I add my gel base and then my gel top coat. And I'll show you guys that. But I just took off my little lash perm. This is what they're looking like. Can't wash them off for 24 hours, so it's gonna be a mascara free day and a brow glue free day. So that'll be interesting.
Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you gotta stand up.
All right, it's been a couple days, girls. Cherubs, chitlins. The brows and lashes are looking phenomenal. The nails are looking great, except I just tried to take my phone case or my phone out of the case. So I did chip a nail, but like this is really rare. I don't usually like pick super heavily. Anyways, I am about to do my makeup for the final transformation. I also did my hair and I'll insert the clip here. I actually used the Shark Smooth Style brush. I've been using it for a couple weeks and I love it. I've been loving the sleek look and I actually did a partnership with them over on TikTok. So go watch it, support, like, comment, favorite, send, share, whatever to support your girl. But yeah, this is the hair. She's looking suave and supple. I might have like a wave up here because I slept on my hair, obviously. But yeah, we're at the home stretch of this transformation. Tan is looking phenomenal, might I say. Okay, I think I'm also gonna do a little bit more makeup than usual, or than I have been. I think I'm gonna do a full lash, full shadow. So let's get into it, I guess. Oh, I have everything but the bagel in my teeth. Love it. Love it. Starting off with the Pacifica Glow Baby Vita Glow Face Lotion. Using my Got To Be glue on my brows. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Taking the NARS Radiant Concealer and bronzing up my face with that. And I think today I'm actually gonna try to conceal or contour my nose because I have yet to do that since the whole nose job. And I'm also gonna do my eyes. Using Tres Luce Beauty Girls Night Out blush. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I think I'm gonna do the Tres Luce palette. I am a neutral girl. Listen, I'm not an MUA and I've said that before. So I'm just gonna stick to the neutrals here. I'm gonna take Beauty For Real, a little shimmery color. Little Fenty Thick As Fuck mascara, or I always call it thick as fuck, it's hella thick. I'm gonna do cork lip liner, Lawless lipstick and Fawn. At least I'm gonna try it out and see. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Cute. Okay, it's giving lip injections. Okay, before I go grab blushes, I'm just gonna finish off with one of my favorite blushes, Misho Beauty. It's like the most abused blush in my collection. Oh my god, cute. Little liner. These are my old tried and true lashes. I'm kind of scared they look huge. Oh my god. I'm scared. They're heavy. Oh my god, how did I do this before? Holy shit. Okay. They like eat up my whole face. I cannot blink. I mean, it looked cute, obviously, because I'm a cute girl, but I look crazy. Oh my god. They literally consume my entire face. I'm gonna scare my husband when he wakes up. Yeah, this just doesn't feel like me anymore. That's crazy. Like, it looks like me. Like, it looks like if I was scrolling through the archives of TikTok, but it just doesn't feel like my personality anymore, if that makes sense. What a weird, trippy thing. Trippy, trip. Anyways, let's put on a cute little outfit for this glow up and we'll wrap up the video. Okay, so this is the finished outfit. What do we think? I think it's so cute. This is kind of taking me back to high school when like riding boots were really popular, but these are just a little bit more edgy and modern. I love it. This is quite the difference from the before on, I think it was Sunday. Okay, here is the final transformation. Cute fall outfit, cute nails, self-tan, makeup, like a ton of makeup that I'm not used to seeing on myself anymore. But yeah, super easy, quick. I want to say quick, but super easy, affordable transformation at home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys stick around, subscribe, follow me for more beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlogs. And I will see you in the next video, okay? I love you. Bye.